Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to create your account on the Box the Content Cloud app. Now if you want to create your account on the Box the Content Cloud app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now Box is a platform that enables file management, collaboration and automated workflows internally and externally. Now to create your account on the Box app, make sure that you have installed the Box app on device. So if you have not installed the Box app, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Box app. So this is the landing page of the Box app where you'll see the option of login or create a free account. So you may click on the option of create a free account and it takes you to the page where you need to enter your email address and create a password. So you just need to enter the email address from the account which you want to create. So after entering the email address, you just need to create a password for your account and make sure that you create a strong password. So after doing all of it, you may click on the option of sign up which is highlighted on blue. So after clicking on the option of sign up, it takes you to the page. Now you just need to click on the confirmation link that they have sent you to your mail. So you may go back to your Gmail on a device and from there make sure that you are logged into the same email. So you may open the mail which has been sent by Box. So you may click on the option of verify email and you will see the option of Google, Chrome or Safari. So select the option which you think is good for you, and after doing all of it, it will verify your email and you'll be able to create the account on the Box app. So after verifying, you just need to go back to your Box app and you just need to enter the same email which you have signed up with, and you just need to click on the option of next, and from here you need to enter the password which you have created for your account and click on the option of login which is highlighted on blue. So after doing all of it, you will be taken to the Box homepage, and this is the homepage of Box, and that's it. That's how you can create your Box account. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.